Welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. This is Julie, and for today's video, nakita nyo naman siguro sa intro, we have one of the latest and most affordable phone from Xiaomi, the Redmi A1. With a price of 4,499 pesos, ito lang naman ang pinakamurang phone na nilabas ni Xiaomi sa Philippines ngayong 2022. At since nagtataasan na ang mga bilihin ngayon, good news ito para sa atin. Pero syempre, titignan pa rin natin kung capable ba ang phone na to for our basic day-to-day tasks. So, without further ado, let's unbox the Xiaomi Redmi A1. So, ito yung itsura ng box niya. Classic tignan, may phone and logo sa harap. And upon opening, makikita agad natin yung phone. And underneath, may kasama siyang microSD cable, which is kinda sad since outdated na nga yung ganitong klase ng ports. But still, we can't complain much dahil nga budget phone ito. Meron din tayong 10-watt power brick, SIM card ejector tool, and of course, paper documentation. Yung body and frame ng phone are made of polycarbonate materials, and we got the light blue variant but available din siya in black and light green colors. Yung likod niya ay medyo textured, medyo leather-like yung look niya, which I like kasi anti-fingerprint smudge din siya. Makikita rin natin sa likod yung engraved Redmi logo and yung smooth dual camera island. Yung screen niya features a 6.52-inch 2.5D curved LCD screen. It has an 88.89 screen-to-body ratio. Slightly thicker yung bottom bezel niya compared sa side and top bezels, pero this is acceptable at this price point. Meron siyang speaker sa taas, and sa baba naman, we have the microphone, micro USB port, and the 3.5mm audio jack. On the left, meron siyang dual nano SIM card and microSD card slot with rubber gasket protection. While on the right, we have the power button and volume rocker. So, wala siyang fingerprint scanner, which is unfortunate, but we'll see if meron naman siyang on-screen sensor. This phone measures 164.90 by 76.75 by 9.09mm and weighs 194 grams. Very comfortable naman siya sa kamay and hindi siya ganun kabigat when you hold it in one hand. Again, for the display, the Redmi has the 6.52-inch 2.5D curved LCD screen with HD plus 1600 by 720p resolution. And meron din siyang 120Hz touch sampling rate. This, I guess, is acceptable since ganito yung usually nating makikita sa budget phones. Decent yung colors niya and meron siyang 400 nits peak brightness, which is enough for outdoor use. Pero medyo mahirap lang siya gamitin if under direct sunlight. Display settings, we have the dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, and the usual na makikita nyo sa Mi phones. We tried using this phone for Netflix and YouTube, and so far, okay naman siya. But since HD plus nga lang yung resolution niya, mas favorable for us na gamitin siya for casual video streaming and not for binge watching. For audio naman, meron siyang single speaker sa taas. Okay lang yung sound quality. Okay din yung bass niya compared sa other phones at this price range. May pagkatini lang siya kapag full volume, so we recommend setting it to mid-level. If you want to opt for better sound quality, there's always an option to use the audio jack. Onto the cameras, at the back, we have the 8MP f2.0 rear cam, auxiliary lens, and an LED flash. Yung stock camera app niya has video, photo, portrait, short video, and time-lapse. Medyo limited yung options natin for camera modes, which is unfortunate. It would have been nicer if they at least added night mode man lang. But understandable naman since again, budget phone siya. Sa harap, we have a notch for the 5MP selfie camera with AI Face Beauty. It has the same modes as the rear, but with the addition of AI beautification sa photo mode. Here are the camera samples. Decent naman yung shots natin using the main cam, especially in daylight. Nahirapan lang kami ng kaunti since you need to have steady hands in order to have a clear photo. Yung zoom niya is from 1x up to 8x na nagde-deteriorate yung quality with each zoom. And yung portrait niya, nahirapan kami sa pag-focus but overall, usable pa rin naman yung photo. May tendency then to have exposure issues in the photo if you're not in a well-lit area. For selfies naman, we surprisingly had nice photos with its 5MP sensor, although may exposure issues pa din siya. Yung AI face beauty niya is found sa photo mode, which you can toggle and adjust accordingly. Yung portrait selfie naman niya has a strong bokeh effect, pero medyo nagsistruggle siya with edge detection. For videos, it can take 720p with 30 FPS, and 1080p with 30 FPS din. Video quality is decent, but for us, hindi siya fit for recording while you're on the move since wala siyang stabilization. For the inner specs, the Redmi A1 features a 2.0 GHz 12nm Helio A22 quad-core processor, 2GB LPDDR4X RAM, with up to 2GB memory extension using internal storage, 32GB expandable storage, and a large 5000 mAh battery. These specs got these benchmark scores on Geekbench. Now, to be fair, hindi ganun kataas yung scores niya dahil hindi naman made for heavy-duty tasks ang specs na meron ng phone na to. But you can still play casual games like Mobile Legends Bang Bang at the lowest graphics settings and other light games as well. We would have liked it better sana if gumamit siya ng Unisoc T612 chip, similar with its competitors, para faster sana ng konti pa yung performance. Yung thermals niya medyo umiinit sa likod, especially if you play for more than 2 hours. For connectivity, wala kaming na-encounter na issues with its Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE. For security naman, meron siyang basic screen locks like pattern, PIN, and password. But unfortunately, wala siyang biometric security, which takes a while to get used to, especially if nasanay kayo sa fingerprint scanner or face recognition. For battery life, it has a 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging. And in fairness, sa real life, mahaba-haba yung time na nagamit natin yung phone na to. We were able to use it for at least a full day while using it for calls, video streaming, and a bit of gaming. However, since micro USB and 10-watt power brick ang gamit ng phone na to, mahaba-haba din yung needed time for fully charging its battery. This can take for almost 3 hours to reach from 0 to 100%. Ang plus side lang siguro dito ay hindi mo kailangan i-charge every now and then, especially if you're gonna use this phone for basic tasks like calls, emails, and browsing the net. For the software, this phone runs not on MIUI, but on Android 12 Go edition. Now, take note na lighter version lang to ni Android, but it effectively runs apps smoothly on phones with lesser RAMs like the Redmi A1. Although hindi pa rin niya talaga kayang mag-handle ng maraming apps, at most, it can run lag-free with 2 apps, but more than that, it can struggle a bit. This OS also promises up to 2 years of timely security updates. Hindi rin ganun kadami yung bloatware and ads niya compared sa other phones. Pros and cons. Verdict. If you're in a tight budget or basic phone lang ang hanap nyo, surely the Redmi A1 is a respectable choice. For only 4,499 pesos, worth every buck ang phone na to with its long battery life, good camera, and decent display. And although hindi meant ang phone na to for a great performance, it did impress us with its long battery life and ability to perform well on day-to-day tasks such as calls, emails, and web browsing. It can even handle a bit of video streaming, casual apps, and light games. Overall, we can say that the Redmi A1 has the essentials we look for in a basic phone. That's it for our full review of the Xiaomi Redmi A1. But before we end this video, may good news kami sa inyo. If interested kayo sa phone na to or may kilala kayong magugustuhan ang Xiaomi Redmi A1, you can join our giveaway through the mechanics na makikita nyo sa comment section below. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe as well. This is Julie of GIZGUIDEPH and see you on our next video. Bye!